Hello guys, it is your boy Ryan, and today I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing. What's in my fridge? So let's get started. I'm gonna start with a normal fridge. In my fridge there is Tropicana orange juice. There's milk. This is my favorite mango juice. Lemonade right there. This is more oranges, but in a different bottle. And my next part of my freezer, there is salami, cheddar cheese, and some kind of meat that I don't know the name of it. Here my mom has some things to make tea because my mom is a little bit sick. Here is seasoned meat. Here is rice and more meat. Here we got more milk and a thing right there. We got eggs. This is my mom's coconut juice right there. Beer. Sometimes my mom drinks beer. Here we got this vegetable or fruit or vegetable thing. I can't open that one because if I open it, it's gonna fall off. So here we got onions and carrots so far. Here the same things to cook or season some meat. Here we got Capri Sun juice. Oh, I don't know what the heck is that. Here we got cooking wine, red wine, and here we got waffles. Here we got butter. This is my brother's to drink milk. Here's mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and vanilla extracts. Here we got the ketchup, olives, some kind of drink. This was supposed to be This was supposed to be honey, but it's not anymore.
Ew.
Here's bread. Here is
Booty head. Booty cat. Vanilla extra.
Renner, sit up. Thank you. Vanilla extract. Here is cream cheese and half a lemon right over there. And I think that is it for Raynor. I think that is it for the fridge. Now we're gonna go ahead and to the freezer. In my freezer we got old ices, the really old. Meat, more meat, not cooked beans. Here we got ice cubes. Here we got more meat. Here's fish. Ow, my hands are freezing. Old water that has months in there, and really old ice cream and more beans. Here we got chicken nuggets. This is supposed to be a cheese thingy, and here we got hot pockets. Here, this thing is full of candy. Look, like there's tons of candy in there. So I think that is it for the freezer and the fridge. So right now I'm gonna close up this video. If you like this video, give a really big thumbs up. Subscribe to my videos, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.